Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 and we are going to calculate the difference between FH and FL in the diagram shown. Assume that all poles and zeros are going to be real valued and the circuit given is Bode plot. Okay, it's going to be a very simple problem, and if you understood what is meant by this minus 40 decibels per decade or plus 40 decibel per decade, then you can easily solve this one. The meaning of 40 decibel per decade, 40 decibels per decade, that is plus 40 decibels per decade, is for a decade increase in frequency. That is, if the frequency is increases by 10 times, then gain is increases by 40 decibels. Okay, so gain increases by 40 decibels when frequency increases by 10 times. If frequency is increases by 10 times, gain is going to be increases by 40 decibels. Okay, and minus 40 decibels per decade. Minus 40 decibels per decade is gain reduces. Gain reduces by 40 decibels when a decade change in frequency, that is when frequency is increases by 10 times. So decade means 10 times. If frequency is increases by 10 times, at that time plus 40 decibels per decade gives 40 decibels increase in gain, and minus 40 decibels per decade means gain reduces by 40 decibels whenever a change of frequency is going to be taking place by 10 times. So from that one, if you observe, this is 40 decibels and it is 0 decibels. So gain is reduces by 40 decibels if you are coming in this direction, but if you are going in this direction, frequency is going to be increasing since it is x-axis. So frequency is increases as you are moving towards right. So as frequency increases, gain is increases by 40 decibels. So FL, and this must be equal to 10 FL, decade frequency. So from this one, FL is equal to 300 divided by 10. So that is 30 hertz. And if you observe over here, gain at this point, that is gain at 900 hertz is 40 decibels, and gain at FH is 0 decibels. So gain is reduces by 40 decibels, and this gain is reduces for a decade change in frequency. So this must be 10 times of previous frequency. So FH is equal to 10 times of previous frequency, 900, because this is a frequency at which you are getting 40 decibels. This is a frequency at which 0 decibels is available. So if you are observing, this is F1. At that time this will become 10 times of F1. That F1 is nothing but 900. So it will become 9000 hertz. That is FH. So FL is 30 hertz and FH is 900 hertz, 9000 hertz. So FH minus FL is equal to 9000 minus 30, which is nothing but 8970 hertz or 8.97 kilohertz. So this is the right answer for this question. FH minus FL is 8.97 kilohertz or 8970 hertz. Thank you.